Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Volkswagen Golf. So any screen there, if you've got phone, setup at the bottom, you click phone, so set up these two cogs, press on that, select telephone or Bluetooth. We'll go to Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth, if you're having trouble pairing a mobile, always do the same thing and make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there. You see there's no tick in Bluetooth there, so make sure that Bluetooth's activated. However, we want to delete a phone, so down to paired devices, which is here, click on paired devices, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, and there's a bin there. Do you really want to delete? Actually, I'll just show you something else as well, so cancel that. You'll see there Barry's iPhone, that's set for audio and telephone, so we'll delete it. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro? Yes.